In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL code.visualstudio.com. Click on this download link. If you want to install Visual Studio Code for all users on your system, then select System Installer. If you want to install Visual Studio Code for your current user, download the user installer. I am going to download the system installer. Click here to download. It may take a while for downloading Visual Studio Code. After successful download, go into download folder and open this installer. Now select yes. Now accept the license agreement. Click on next. Now select the destination location where you want to install Visual Studio Code. This is the default destination location. If you want to change this location, click on the browse and select the folder where you want to install. I am going to install this default location. Click on next. Now select start menu folder where should setup place the program's shortcuts. Click on next to continue. If you want to create a desktop icon, check this box. And also if you want to register code as an editor for supported file types and want to add path, check this box, then click on next. The setup is now ready to begin installing Visual Studio Code on your computer. Click on the install button. It may take a while for installing Visual Studio Code. That's it. Setup has finished installing Visual Studio Code on your computer, and also the shortcut icon created on desktop. If you want to launch Visual Studio Code right now, check this box and click on finish. Let's get started with Visual Studio Code. At first, choose your theme. Browse color themes. Here you will find some default installed theme for Visual Studio Code. I am going to select the Light Visual Studio theme. Okay. Now select Reach Support for all your language and then mark Done. Okay. Now click on File and then Preferences and open Settings. If you want to increase the font size, here increase the font size. You can do it into the settings.json file. And also you can set the zoom level. Okay. And if you want to install some extension, click on this extension button and search for the extension that you want to install. If you want to install Python language support for Windows, search for Python and select the extension that you want to install. Install Python extension developed by Microsoft and also install Python debugger. And you can install another language support like C, C++ or Java that you want to install. Okay. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.